Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the highly anticipated 2025 BYD Atto 3, an electric SUV that's been making waves in global markets. Let's dive straight into what makes this car stand out. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 continues to impress with its modern and sporty design. It features sleek LED headlights and a signature chrome grille that adds a premium feel. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly from front to back, giving the car a futuristic yet elegant stance. The dynamic alloy wheels, along with bold character lines on the sides, enhance its road presence. At the rear, the connected LED tail lamps create a wide and sophisticated look, while the roof rails and a subtle rear spoiler add a sporty touch. Overall, the Atto 3 is designed to appeal to both families and young professionals looking for style and practicality. Moving inside, the interior of the BYD Atto 3 is where it truly surprises. The cabin feels spacious and well built, with soft touch materials used generously throughout. The unique design language is evident, especially in the door handles inspired by gym equipment and the circular air vents that give a modern twist. A large 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read. Comfort is also a priority, with leatherette seats that are well cushioned, providing ample support for long drives. Rear passengers get good legroom and headroom, making it a true family-friendly SUV. There's also a panoramic sunroof adding to the airy feel inside the cabin. When it comes to performance, the BYD Atto 3 is powered by a single electric motor delivering around 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.3 seconds, which is impressive for an electric SUV in this segment. The 60.5 kWh Blade battery offers a driving range of up to 480 km on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. The Atto 3 also supports fast charging, taking the battery from 30% to 80% in just under 30 minutes. The ride quality is smooth, handling is agile, and the regenerative braking system enhances efficiency while providing a safe driving experience. Finally, talking about the pricing, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is expected to start around $38,000 to $42,000 depending on the variant and market. With its solid build quality, long range, and premium features, it offers great value for money in the electric SUV segment. Thanks for watching NG Auto Review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews.